Yesterday on my MNT price prediction, I gave you a very clean 1.4% trade, and I'm still very bearish on it. I'll tell you my long-term and short-term price prediction. Long-term, and I won't waste a second of your time, so hit the like button. First of all, long-term, I'm bearish to 96 cents. I think we'll drop like 20% more. Short-term, I think we'll have a small pump to here, from which we'll short to the downside. So this is basically the way I'm trying to play this. I wait for these liquidations to get hit. A lot of people have their stop losses above here, even here. If we do this, even right here, I don't want to draw a trend line because I'm using the trend line for other stuff. And then the next thing that's very important is this area right here. And this is where the daily 20 EMA chart is. So we'll mark it with purple, right? Just like that, purple. And this coincides with the 200 EMA. So I'm very interested in getting a position, basically short position up here, to then go and dump to this downside. Love with all my heart, this is exactly what I'm planning to do. Obviously, this video is not financial advice. If you're wondering more about my trades, how I made so much money from meme coins, here, use the links in the description down below. I made my course super cheap. I have very low amount of people who bought it, so it's a new information. And also, I'll be updating it with some future stuff as well, but price will go up then. So make sure you buy it while it's cheap. Also, I'm switching to BloFin. It's a user exclusive bonus. I'm using to BloFin because it's a no KYX exchange. It has the best setup for traders like me, and it's very good in terms of liquidity and safety. See you next video. Use the links in the description down below for all of this. Bye.